Now we will solve numericals from a very appreciated book by all. The book is written by H.C. Verma, and here are some problems related to vector. Once we solve all these problems of vectors, we will have the comment about the chapter. Okay. Your first problem is a vector A makes an angle of 20 degree and vector B makes an angle of 110 degree with the x-axis. The magnitude of these vectors are 3 meter and 4 meter respectively. Find the resultant. Clear? So this is the problem and we will solve it. Two vectors, 3 Newton and 4 Newton, 3 meter and 4 meter, and one is acting at 20 degree with x-axis and another one is acting at 110 degree, making an angle with the x-axis. We need to find the resultant, and resultant means the magnitude as well as the direction. To solve this problem, we must draw x-axis first. Somewhere it is somewhere there must be y-axis too. So it is x-axis and it is y-axis, and one vector is making an angle 20 degree. This is 3 meter. This is 20 degree with the x-axis, and one is at 110 degree with the x-axis, and this angle is your 110 degree. It is given 110 degree. This is 4 Newton. So what is the angle between these two vectors? It has to be 90 degree. Okay, and to add these two vectors, we have to bring this vector here or this vector here. So parallelly we have to shift this 4 Newton. I am shifting parallelly. This is our basic rule. One's tail must touch the head. So this is your 4 Newton. I have shifted parallelly it. So one here is 3 Newton vector making an angle 90 degree, 20 degree, and 4 Newton with 110 degree. That means angle between these two vectors is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, and this is your resultant vector. Resultant vector. So the value of our resultant vector is going to be, and this angle is 90 degree. Angle between these two vectors is 90 degree. So it is going to be 3 square plus 4 square according to formula, and 2 into 3 into 4 into cos of 90 degree. And cos of 90 degree is 0. So this term vanishes. So magnitude is 9 plus 16. That is 25. So magnitude of the vector is 25 meter. Magnitude of the vector is under root 25 meter. That is equal to 5 meter, which is equal to 5 meter. So getting 5 meter is not the ultimate solution. To get the final result or to get the total result, since being a vector quantity, I need to find the angle also, and this angle is your alpha. If this is an angle alpha, so tan alpha is, your formula is b cos theta. This is your A, this is your B. This is your A, this is your B, and this resultant is making an angle alpha with A. So tan alpha, that is 4 sine 90 degree by 3 plus 4 cos 90 degree. This is the formula. 4 sine alpha by 4 sine theta plus divided by 3 plus 4 cos, and theta is your 90 degree here. So your tan alpha is equal to 4 sine 90 degree is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4, and divided by 3, 4 into cos 90, cos 90 is 0. So it is 0. So 4 by 3. And tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. That means alpha is equal to 53 degree. Alpha is equal to 53 degree. We know that if tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3, then alpha is 53 degree. We must remember this thing. It is a standard thought. And if tan alpha is 3 by 4, it is 37 degree. If tan alpha is 3 by 4, it is 37 degree. You remember this. So your alpha is 53 degree. That means this resultant R is acting at a 53 degree with 3 Newton. That means, and 3 Newton is acting at an angle 20 degree with the x-axis. That means with x-axis, this resultant is making an angle 73 degree. Alpha is this angle, this resultant is making an angle 73 degree. How 73 degree? This angle is 53. And 53 with 3 Newton. And 3 Newton is acting at an angle of 20 degree with x-axis. So this R will act 53 plus 20, that is at an angle 73 degree with x-axis. This is your x-axis. So let's see the result. Now you can see clearly the result. It is 5 meter and at an angle 73 degree with x-axis. 5 meter, you can see angle magnitude is 5 meter given and angle is 73 degree given. So we have got 5 meter. We have got resultant 5 meter, which is magnitude, and alpha 53 degree. 53 degree, alpha 53 degree, it is acting with at an angle 53 degree with 3 Newton. So with x-axis, it is 73 degree. With x-axis, 53 plus 20. 53 plus 20. 53 degree with 3 Newton, and 3 Newton is at an angle 20 degree. So R is acting at an angle of 73 degree with the x-axis and 53 degree with 3 Newton. That's the result.